welcome back. Have you guys ever ordered something and then months go by, you forget that you pre-ordered it and then it shows up in your mailbox, or is that only me? The very first thing on top is this super cute all-in-one. It's got little tacos on it. Got little tacos with cute little faces all over it. Super, super cute. And this one is an all-in-one. It says it fits 10 to 40 pounds. We really do like their all-in-ones. They have bamboo and hemp in them. Can open this up and show it to you. Oh, what is that? Okay. So, this is what the inside looks like. It's got the tummy panel up there. And then it has the athletic wicking jersey on the inside. The one with the athletic wicking jersey is the one with bamboo. Nothing on this part right here. And then this is the hemp layer. And these are super awesome. Next we have this cute Flintstones one. It's got like Bam Bam and Dino. All the characters from the Flintstones. Super cute. I did get one of their XL pockets because I wanted to try them out because they should last us longer with baby, because they go all the way up to 70 pounds. And this one has like Spider-Man and the Incredible Hulk and stuff on it. Super cute. Not quite sure what that is. Anybody know? But that's that one. Then we got another pocket, which is like Harry Potter themed. It's got all the different houses on it. Super cute. Of course, Chick-fil-A. My husband picked this out. Super cute, Chick-fil-A. Then we got this one, which is different, kind of Dr. Seuss theme. It's got Corton and Cat in the Hat and the Lorax on it. And these ones I believe are just one size pockets. This one, this one's just super late. It was a 420 themed one. And as you see, 420. It's got little pizzas and really, really cute. Really cute, but it's not 420 anymore. We'll have to wait till next year. And then I got this super awesome wet bag that has the Golden Girls on it. Rest in paradise, Miss Betty White. We do miss you. I was actually legit very upset when Betty White passed. We have this cute one with the different planets on it. It's got like a soft gray background with the cute little faces on the planets and the sun and the moon and some rockets. I just really love anything space themed. I'm totally there. This one is super nostalgic. It's got, let me turn on this way. It's got a little Blockbuster, the Kids Cuisine, Bananas and Pajamas, some Polly Pocket. This right here, can you guys see that? Hold on, wait. L'Oreal with a little eyeball. I have one of those. Floppy disk. What's this thing's name? It's not Angelica. No, it's Angelica's toy. Her weird doll. I forget its name right now. You got your bubble gum. Little Furby. Just super nostalgic. This one's super nostalgic. Of course I had to get it. And then I got another wet bag. Like a hanging wet bag. But this one has little duckies and boots. It's got little sailboats. But it's just a little zip up wet bag. We really, really like these. And that is what I got from Texas Tushy on a pre-order. And it honestly, it didn't take that long like they do tell you, kind of the guesstimated time that these pre-orders are going to arrive. I just forgot that I ordered them because I have ADHD and it happens. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did and you want to see more videos of me unboxing stuff from Texas Tushy, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.